Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we are going to create a class called PersonContact, and this PersonContact will act as a data model for our TableView Control. So these are all the slide decks from our previous parts. So here we create a class called PersonContact, and the class contains 3 members. If you see, all are string, and each member will supply the data for our table column. So we have a constructor, and in that constructor we get all the string parameter and initialize the members. Then we have getter and setter method to retrieve or store the private members. Now we will proceed with this class design. Now we will go to NetBeans and create this class. So we will click the package, then choose new Java class, and we will name it as PersonContact. Rest we can leave the default. Click finish. Just remove the comments. So we will have 3 private members, then a constructor, and we will have getter and setter for all these 3 members. So that's all. This PersonContact class will supply data for our TableView Control. Alright, now we will build this once. Just now we created the class. Thank you for watching. Bye.